Thank you for choosing ECR4Kids horizontal wall-mounted changing station with slim back. We have made every effort to supply a quality product that with proper installation, use, and care will provide many years of trouble-free use. To begin, read the owner's manual and installation guidelines entirely and keep the owner's manual for future reference. A qualified professional must evaluate the installation location and provide the appropriate hardware to ensure safe use. Due to the wide variety of wall materials and mounting requirements, ECR4Kids does not include hardware. Please find the manufacturer information on the product sticker located on the bottom edge of the unit or printed directly on the shipping carton. Use this information and visit our website at www.ecr4kids.com/changingstation to register your unit online. Start by identifying your desired installation location. Secure the provided paper template to the wall using tape. Use a pencil to mark each mounting point indicated on the template. Double-check that all marks are level to ensure proper alignment before proceeding. Consult with a qualified professional to determine the best anchoring hardware for your specific wall material and to ensure it is installed to ADA compliance. 2 people are required to safely lift the changing station into place. Secure the unit to the wall using the anchoring hardware recommended by your qualified professional for your wall type. Complete the installation by inserting the placed screw covers into the 4 mounting holes for a clean, finished appearance. Your ECR4Kids changing station is now fully installed and ready to provide a safe, convenient solution for caregivers and little ones alike. At ECR4Kids, we're committed to safety, testing, and regulatory compliance to ensure our products meet or exceed industry standards. You and your kids deserve the absolute best for a brighter way to play, share, learn, and grow.